Crazy Dan, representing the One Love Kitchen. One Love Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell with a real Jamaican style. Yeah, like, share, subscribe to One Love Kitchen. One Love family will teach you guys how to cook rice and chicken. Click the bell icon and get notified. One Love in the kitchen.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to One Love's Kitchen. Guys, today this is a requested video of the traditional rice and peas. Yes, and the person who requested this video state that I use a fresh coconut, not the coconut milk in the tin or the powder. So I'll be using a fresh coconut today for this request, and I'll be showing you how I prepare my traditional rice and peas. So here you see I have my pot with some water in it, just a small amount of water to cover the peas. I have some garlic in this. I'm just going to bring this to a boil, and then I'll be adding some more water to this, but I'll be showing you exactly how I do this. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, so our peas is boiling away. Now I'm just going to add around 4 to 5 cups of water to this. It depends on what amount of peas you're cooking, and if you know the type peas you're cooking, it'll be easier for you, because this peas, I use this regular and it cooks within 30 to 40 minutes. I know a lot of peas is very hard. Some people soak it overnight in water and like with some garlic, but I didn't have to do this because this peas cooks very fast and I didn't have to pressure this. So I added like 4 to 5 cups of water to that. I'm gonna leave that to boil for 30 minutes until semi-tender, and then we'll get back to cooking. Guys, here I'm just breaking up my coconut. I'm gonna shell it out and cut it up. If you cannot manage this process, you can let like a male figure at the house do this for you, because this is very hard, but I'm used to this. Okay, yes, I'm used to this. So I'm just gonna cut this up now and ready to put this in the blender to blend it up to get the juice from this. Our peas is bubbling. They're almost cooked. This is 30 minutes in, and I'm gonna pour some of this water into the blender, let it cool, because this is what I'll be using to blend my coconut. This is how I blend my coconut, with some of the peas water. Yes, so let's go. So there you go. I added the water from the peas and the coconut, and I added a piece of ginger to this because I like blending it with the ginger. So I'm just gonna blend this now. And as you can see, there's a little steam coming up. The water is still warm. Yes, it is still warm, but I think the warm water, it's best to blend the coconut. You get all that oil from the coconut out. It's the best way. So we're gonna blend. Alrighty guys, so I blended my coconut. Now we're gonna strain this into a container. So there you see, everything is well blended, but this is hot because remember I use the hot water from the peas to blend this, because I want all the oil from the coconut, all the juice to be out, and I think the warm water works best. So now here we go. We're just gonna pour this onto our peas. Remember, they're not fully cooked, they're semi-cooked, and we're gonna season our peas and have it finish cooking. So there you go. So everything is in. I'm gonna add my scallion, my pimento, my pepper, and a piece of ginger. Remember, the garlic is already in this. Yes, and we're gonna season our rice and peas. That's the mistake a lot of people make. They don't season their rice and peas. I like my rice and peas tasting yummy. So we're gonna add a little seasoning to this and turn up the flavor in this rice and peas, guys. Yes, so here I'm going with some of my natural blended green season. Remember, this season has everything in it, all natural, everything. So I'm gonna add some of that to my rice and peas, and we're gonna go in now with some everyday seasoning that I use just to flavor this baby up. So I'm starting off with some Larry's. I'm adding some Larry's to that, and then I'm gonna go in with some Creole seasoning as well. You can use just whatever seasoning you have at home, however you like to season it, but this is how I season my rice and peas, guys. And when I tell you this rice and peas is the bomb, it is the bomb. I don't like tasting rice and peas and you don't taste no flavor in it. You know, it's like it's blank. No. That's not gonna happen around here. We're gonna season this baby and get this baby cooking. So there I added like a tablespoon of salt, and remember, it all depends on what amount of rice you're cooking, what amount of water you're using. You can add more or less, so it all depends on the amount. All right, so yeah, I seasoned that to make sure everything is on point, and I think it needs a little more seasoning, so I'm just gonna go in back with some more seasoning in that. Of course, I'm gonna season my baby, of course, with seasoning this, because yeah, if your food ain't seasoned, it ain't good. So yes guys, we're gonna season up this baby and get this baby on the way to cooking. Guys, our rice and peas is well, the rice isn't in it yet, but our peas with coconut is bubbling away. You remember I told you I like when it forms this custard? Yeah, that's the thing in the middle and at the side. So, and I didn't add my butter to this as yet. I normally add the butter a little before I put in the rice. So yeah, it's still cooking. Guys, at this point I'll be adding 4 tablespoons of butter, or half a stick of butter, because I'm just gonna put my rice in now. So guys, I've already washed my rice. I'm using 3 cups of basmati rice. Now I'm just gonna pour this in, mix it around, turn it on low to medium heat, and let this simmer. So guys, after a couple minutes, I'm taking a peep on my pot, and as you can see, the water is going down. Yes, so shortly I'm gonna have to turn this on very low steam and let it simmer. And traditionally back home, at this point back home, we don't use foil paper, or remember, we don't use rice cooker in the back then days. So we would wash a bag and just cover our rice with and let that simmer. A black bag. You remember those days? Yes, we would wash a black bag and cover our rice with. But now, as you can see, all the water, not all the water, most of the water is being reduced, and now I'm just gonna cover this with a foil and turn this on. So I'm putting the foil on this and put it on the lowest settings you have on your stove. So mine is very low, and I'm gonna leave this to simmer for like 15 minutes. This is the moment of truth, guys, the moment of truth. After 15 minutes, my rice has been simmering. You can do it longer, 15 to 20 minutes. So now I'm just gonna fluff this and check what's going on the inside. Guys, look at this. Just look at this. Just look at this goodness, guys. Come on. We're gonna remove all of these onions and all the little things we used to season our rice, but now I'm just fluffing it to see what's going on. Remember, the pepper is inside. You don't want to burst the pepper, so be careful. And I'm just fluffing up my rice. Guys, take a good look at that. Take a good look at that rice and peas, guys. Come on now. You're seeing every grain, even the thyme you're seeing on it. Oh my God, guys, this is so delish. This, look at the ginger, look at everything. There's the pepper, guys. The pepper was like almost burst in it, but I took it out, so it's not spicy at all. But guys, just take a good look at this. Take a good look at that. This is what you call real rice and peas. And remember, this wasn't done in a rice cooker, right? This was done in a pot. So guys, look at that. So shelly, so yummy, so delicious, so flavorful. Of course I'm gonna taste this. Of course I'm gonna taste this. This is what I'm talking about, guys. I want you to like up the video if you watch this and you like this. Don't forget to like, share, comment, hit that notification bell, that every time I put up a new video you will get notified. And remember to check your notification just in case, because some of you been like, you're not getting notified. So just remember to check your notification and see what's going on. Like, share, comment, hit the notification bell. Enjoy the rice and peas. Don't forget to share the channel and all. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, leave a thumbs up, leave a like, and until next time, guys, have a blessed one.